Hello guys, so this is sort of a project demonstration for my project, the AI finger pointer, which is a name I just came up with. And before I start explaining the code a bit, I'll just show you how it works, so that nobody's bored. So basically, as it's already running, and how this works is that I just get my finger up, and as you can see, as I move it in a circle, so does the cursor. And Essentially what it's doing is it's following my index finger. And other things you can do with this is take it, say, over here and click, or click down here. And the way clicking works is that I just take my thumb over to this joint, and there it clicks. There's also right clicking, so there we go. I have to close my fingers together, pinch, and then say I want to paste something. I press paste and it pastes it. I'm just gonna undo that. There's also scrolling enabled. So let's say I take this, I want to scroll down. All I got to do is I got to join these two fingers and it scrolls up. So how do I make it scroll down? I click while I'm scrolling and it goes down. Same thing again, starts going up, and as soon as I spread them apart, it stops. Alright, so that's the basic code demonstration. And you can do a lot of other things with this as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize this window there. Oops. And alright, I can go ahead and put on like a YouTube video, let's say.
Current technology causes
I can pause it.
such as overheating and excess power consumption.
And what I can also do is I can scroll down to, say, browse my YouTube, and yeah, just look at all these things, and I can like my video as well. There you go, because that deserved a like. Yeah, I can go up, I can go back up, and continue playing.
Consumption. It's consuming 20% of world's electric power.
There you go.
So, what's the solution? Do you think it's time to move over?
So I'm gonna return to Visual Studio Code now. I'm gonna stop this and I'm gonna explain the code a bit. So how this works is I'm using MediaPipe to actively track my hands, and what it does is it creates certain landmarks on my hand which I can then use as index positions in my code. I'm also using PyAuto GUI to control the cursor to perform click operations, scroll operations, and all that. This is variable declaration. This is more of variable declaration. But this stuff needs to happen in a loop. This is a forever loop because it's a while true and it's always true. This is just some maths to get my finger placement from, say, this small of a screen to like actually fit my entire screen. And here are the operations. So now while I was writing this code, obviously I ran into some problems because Python is known for being a bit slow. Not a bit, it's pretty slow. And similarly with this, it was quite slow. And I know it looks a bit laggy right now, but it's a lot better than it could be, than it was, sorry. It's a lot better than it was. And what I did to fix it was that I used Python, which is really cool because it makes the project a lot faster, except it did not work that well for me because you see a lot of my work here is being done through external libraries, which means I'm still communicating with the APIs online. So shifting it over to C a bit did not help that much, but C is a lot faster, and just changing some of these math operations like getting the distance between two things just by doing it in C helped me a lot more. So yeah, essentially that's how it works. It tracks your hands, tracks landmarks, checks the distance between them. If it's close enough, then it'll consider it a click, and it'll do what you want it to do. Thanks for watching.